Hey there, it's Vicki Howell. I'm the founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, and I'm so excited to tell you about our July box. This is the second in our wool-free summer series that we're doing for all of those stitchers out there that might be allergic to wool, or maybe just would prefer not to buy wool, or they're just, in the middle of the summer and they want to try some easy breezy fibers. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in and show you the gorgeous items that I have curated for you for this month. All right, I always start with the yarn because, yay. So this month I'm really excited because we are working with a company. The yarn is spun in Canada, but hand dyed in Tennessee. It is Forbidden Fibers, and they have created a custom color for us, denim and daylilies, in their Proverbs yarn. We are getting a full hank of this organic cotton and linen mix, and it is super gorgeous. We had them dye to sort of evoke barbecues and 4th of July and just sort of that really cool denim of the summer and gingham, and we just love it. It's a joy to work with, and it's a sport weight, and you get 336 yards. That's a lot for this club. We usually are more about the bite size, but when we found out that we could get this hank and it was so lovely to work with, we jumped on it. So you're gonna get one hank of that. What are we making? Well, we are going to be making bandana scarves. Now, we've done bandanas before in the past on YarnYAY, but never like this and never in this shape. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So at the base, it's a square, right? You're like, all right, it's a square. But what's really cool is that when you fold it in half, you get a traditional bandana. We've added a little loop, which is optional, and what's really fun about it is that we are using this checkered, again, with the picnics and the barbecues, lace for the knit version, along with a stockinette. And the colors in the yarn just really play beautifully with that. And you can wear it, you can feed it through the loop if you want, you can drape it across or tie it across a bag handle or picnic handle. It's really lovely. It'll work with a sundress or a tank top or a gingham top or just a t-shirt even. And it is also all gender inclusive. So we love that. So that's the knit version that I designed. And then the crochet version was designed by our 2021 crochet designer in residence, Natalie Thomas. We always work together here at YarnYAY, and so when I told her I wanted to do something checkered, she came back with this little number. It's got kind of this one's called Aces, and it's got kind of again, with sort of that like tablecloth checkered look, but it also looks like diamonds, which is why we named it Aces. And again, you can do this one with or without the loop because it has these larger holes. You can maybe skip it and feed it through there, but another just great accessory. So we've got one for our crocheters and one for our knitters. And you will be able to make this project with the one hank of Proverbs that you're getting. All right, so next up, we are gonna work with a local Austin company that I discovered when I was looking for stuff too. I've been a knitter for 20-something years, and we all get joint aches and shoulder aches, and I get wrist and finger issues sometimes, and so I'm always looking for something to relieve that. If it can be natural, that's even better. And I found this company called Cheeky Butter, and they are right here in Austin, and they create a whole litany of products, but what I love and swear by and use all the time is called Cheeky Kana Bliss. And they created a little Notions bag size. This is not for your lips, but it's a Notions bag size tube that you can roll up and just use it as a balm on your joints. My husband and I both use this almost on a daily basis for all of our little aches and pains, and we're always so, just relieved by it. And it is all natural, and again, made here in Austin. So that's Cheeky Kana Bliss. They made these little tubes for us that they even wrote a little message for us: knit or crochet, apply, repeat. So love that, and you'll get a coupon if you love it as much as I do. They'll give you a little coupon code to get a larger size, but it's perfect to go in your little zippy bag that goes in your project bag. All right, and then every single box, you get a full color booklet that includes both patterns, both the knit and the crochet. So if you're by Craft Jewel, as I am, you can choose whichever one speaks to you that month. You will also get the patterns delivered to you digitally if you prefer to have it on your tablet. But inside, we make sure to write little blurbs with the URL for all the companies that we've partnered with, because we love when you discover new products that we love, and you go and you give them some business too. So that booklet will be also in the box. All right, and then the last thing I'm really extra excited about, because it is brought to you by one of my dear friends, Andy. She goes by Betty Crafter Vintage, and she loves all that is vintage, specifically the 70s, and she has a business that she recreates or designs her own Cruel kits that are really inspired by vintage pieces. So we've been going back and forth to figure out how to make it work for one of our YarnYAY boxes, and she designed something specifically for us, a Dopey Cruel kit. This is a tiny Cruel kit that is great if you have never stitched before, or if you just love it and want a quick project. So this kit comes with the hoop, the needle, instructions, and also a screen printed piece. And our gal Friday Becky whipped one up the other day. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. She did a little extra filling. You can just do the outline. You can do as little or as much stitch as you want. You can add your own flair around here. So it's a really attainable, do it in an evening project. And as you can see, you can use the hoop as the frame itself. So this entire box is just about summer, crafting a little vintage inspired, and we're really, really excited about it. So you can get that at YarnYAY.com. And if you also need needles and hooks, you will need a size G for the crochet hook. We've got those. We've got the Vicky Howell Aqua brand. And you'll need a size 5 knitting needle. It helps if you have circulars, just because I, again, have problems with my wrists, and I find that working with circulars is so much easier on the wrist. But if you have straights and that's all you have and you don't want to buy any other ones, they'll totally work. And that's that. So all of this fun for only $35 plus flat rate shipping, and you can find that at YarnYAY.com. I can't wait to knit and crochet these projects with you.